Hello and welcome to Sylpi Sophia Forge. Today we're going to take a detour. Originally we planned on doing the VRM, but because we recently played Diablo Immortal and I kinda want to make a wizard staff because I chose the wizard class. So yeah, we're going to do the let me just fix my OBS. There you go. So yeah, that's I don't know if I could show you anything about Diablo photos, but just to be safe, I'm not going to display anything related to it for fear of copyright infringement. So instead, we'll just start to make one. So if you haven't seen Diablo Immortal, you could just search the internet. Maybe I could upload our gameplay on a separate channel that's not related to Sylpi and Sophia Forge, just to be sure. And then maybe I'll just paste the link on the comment section. So yeah. Anyway, I have a sort of a reference. So yeah, it's not an actual original, but I took a screenshot of my character, and it's quite the hair is pink. So yeah, it's quite funny, but yeah, we're going to start. Though I might not make it exactly the same as the Diablo style. It's a Diablo style stuff, but I'm going to add a lot of elements. I'm planning on like combining the Diablo style stuff with my Mabinogi stuff. But yeah, I also can't show you the picture of my Mabinogi character, so let's just start. So, whoops, accidentally pressed the render. Oh, I think I need to mute this one just in case. Anyway, I think we can start with the orb and the stuff part. So, and looking at the picture, it's probably about okay. If I'm 160 cm, and this stuff probably stands at 150. So I'm going to resize this one to 150. So it's going to be our reference height for the staff. I'm gonna save it so I don't have to save it later. So this is going to be our reference. I'm gonna add a cylinder, set it to 150 because that's going to be, then maybe 3 cm thick stuff. Yeah, I think that's a good start. Oh, I think that's just radius, so it's going to be 6 cm. I think 6 cm is too thick. Yeah. I'll just set it here. Like 3 cm. Then we're going to hide the reference cube. So yeah, I think we're going to have it upright like that. Because most of our models like horizontal we're going to make this stuff in an upright position like that. Since we're going to have the okay, first let me move the I wish there's a kind of a shortcut wherein you would automatically set the geometry origin where you selected it, like instead of going, wait, there might be one. Nah, instead of having like click that, and then I think this one is shift. I don't know the shortcut anymore because I'm using Razer Tartarus, so let me enable my screencast for myself. Yeah, it's Shift S, and instead of having Shift S cursor to selected and exiting, then having it like set origin to like that. I wish there's like a single button that you could automatically, I don't know. Well, I could set it on my, oh yeah, I think I should have done that. Let me see, maybe I could. Nah, it's going to be hard because I'm going to have to use the mouse. Oh, you can do it like Shift S2. Oh, let me try and do that. Give me a second while I figure that out with Tartarus. I think that's a nice addition. Num9. What's num9? Function? I don't think I need num9 function, so I'm going to replace this one with a series of keyboard. How do you do that on Tartarus? Key recording. Is it possible? Let's see. What I would do is Shift S2, then edit. Okay, Shift S, like select the object, or Shift S2 tab, and then right click. Oh, the right click parts. Or is it possible? Right click O, right click OT. Oh, I think I can't include right click. Launch program, switch lighting. Dang. Inter-device mouse function. Let's see. What I did was Shift S and then 2. No, you can't include both. Numeric, navigation, nope. Function key, modifiers. Now the key recording only recognize just one press. Joystick, mouse function. 2 or more Razer's Synapse enabled device are required. Switch key map. Yeah, I think there's no way I could do that. So anyway, just a thought, but it's not possible. So let's continue. So I've set that to just wanna whoops. So this is going to be the top part. I think I'm gonna reduce the height of this one by like 130. Like instead of the whole length, I'm gonna reduce it by 20, somewhere like that. Yeah, because we still have the orb part. So yeah. Then we're going to add something like let's just add a UV sphere for now, like just for reference. Let's see, how big should it be? Maybe like that 10 cm orb. 10 cm orb is like this. It's too small. By the looks of it, it's more like 20 cm. Yeah. It's like bigger than my knee. Yeah, we'll go with 20. Oh, it's reduced, so it's 20. Yeah, I forgot to move back the. Yeah, I think it's about that size. And there you have it. We have a staff. Thanks for watching. Bye. There you go. Yeah, I think I kinda wanted to import a meat human character, but that's going to be for later. So then we have like lots of sphere going around. No, it's not a sphere, but I don't know if I should use a torus with 4 segments like that. I think it's much closer, so like 13. One is really close and the other one's not too much. Like there's an inner and outer ring. Although I think instead of a sphere, I think we've used a UV sphere. I think it's much better if we use an icosphere. to hide this one. Whoops. Maybe increase the subdivision. Yeah, I think I need to increase it even more. I'm going to re-add it. An icosphere with a lot of subdivisions because we're going for like a fairy look. I'm going to use geometry nodes to like like add in noise. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's... Oops. Yeah, give me a sec. Yeah, I think that's going to be enough. Let's see what happens if I just add a subdivision, if it will help. I think it doesn't really help. Because I kind of want to... Let me try and add another one. Icosphere. Let's hide this one. Instead of... let's see what happens if I add a lot of subdivisions like that. Oh, I think it's the same effect. So like... Yeah, I think it's the same. Yeah, I think I'm going for that path. Because I don't want to have too many vertices at the very start. I kind of want it like that, so I could turn it off whenever I'm like... It's best for making the blend file manageable, like not too much vertices. You could adjust it whenever you need like more resources. Anyway, so for now let's just enable it, and then maybe let's try something like let's see. I'm going to try with set position. Let's see if this one would... Whoops. We're going to try something like... I think we kinda need something connected here. Oh, we need that part. We need that effect, but we kinda need to like normalize. We kinda need to know. Oh wait, what happened here? Did I? I think we need to set this to negative 0.5. But we need this one to be 0.5. Oh, 0.1. Okay. So we need this to be a value. That we can set. So this is going to be the amount of noise amount. Well, I could send this to the output of this one. Let me just duplicate this one like that, and then just connect both this one and this one. Oh wait, this one like that, and then connect it to let's call it noise amount, and have it default to 0.1. Maybe starting minimum should be maybe 0 and 1. Let me delete it first. Let's see what happens if I connect this one first before this one. Oh, okay. Oh, we can go negative numbers and we can go way up there. but I think it's best to just limit it to 0 to 1 like that. So like no noise and with noise. But we're going to be operating at 0.1 and then maybe set this to 4D and like have it going like that. So this is going to be, I guess we could like connect it here and then maybe add a frame here. So like it would animate, but it's too much. I guess we should add like a, oh, I don't think we need that. I'm going to remove it. Let's just connect it to scene time. Like that. It's a blob. It's supposed to be a fury thing, but there's no material yet, so it looks like that. Now I'm wondering if I should like recycle this one and just give it a separate like rejoining the original geometry so that we still have this sphere inside, but we have the fury thing going on. And like maybe scale the although I can't. Let's just add a scale instance maybe. Oh, I think just transform will do. So I'm going to scale it by 1.1. Yeah, I think that will do. We'll just adjust this part here depending on our need. Yeah, I think that will do. But we're gonna need to give me a second. I think I'm gonna be sick. Dang. Let me try disabling the yeah, I kinda don't like the way it looks. It's best with that turned on. Although I think we could like turn off the shade smooth on this part here. Like like turn off the shade smooth on this part, because that's like a fire thing going on there, so we don't need shade smooth on that part, but we're gonna have to turn shade smooth on this one or not. We'll see. Well, maybe it's best that we actually add a material to it, just to see if we're doing it right. Let me turn on cycles, and then let's look for, maybe there's a texture for fire, so we don't have to make one. Layer fire. Oh, I think this might be the one we need. I'll just add it here, see how it looks. But something like, oh, where's rendered view? It's like we kinda only want it to be applied on and like have a different one here, like that. And it's too yellowish, so we're going to adjust. Where is it getting that yellow tint? It's weird. You have the emission here. Oh, it's probably from here. Let's see if we can find something different. I kinda don't want. Oh, let's try this one. Did it load? It's loading. Okay, we're gonna need to set it here. Both doesn't seem to look like. I probably need to let's try mapping out a UV map first, see if it would help. No, it didn't help. What's the parameter for this one? Let's see. It used UV. There's supposed to be a yellowish thing going on. Volcano core. Dang. I wonder how it looks. Is it loaded? Oh, kind of forgot we need to switch it from here. Maybe it's supposed to be here, and then something like, oh, what's going on? I'll probably stick with this one, hit ring flame effects. Let me try adding a separate UV sphere. I just wanna visualize what's happening. So I'm going to isolate this one and apply that effects. I wanna see what's going on. Yeah, it kind of became transparent, but I'm wondering why. Maybe let me try and make something pointy. Oh. No, there's no yellow part. Maybe it's supposed to be animated? Because there's... oh... What's the driver being used in here? I'm seeing weird stuff there. It's like being triggered by this part here. It's only this part here that's doing that flame thing. Like it went to negative 17 and then I kinda like that effect there, but I want it to be continuously so I think I should do like a combine XYZ in here and then have this on a noise texture thing. And a multiplier or a map yeah, I think it's better to use map, like a map range. So we're doing it at around. Originally, I think I've seen it at. Let's try checking out which part it appears. So I think we have it at the peak is like -2. I think it started at -1.7. Peaks out at around that part, -6, and it ended at 0.2. So we're going to try that. Then we're going to have it 40. Then create a driver here. Oh, not that one. Then set these to frames. Frames, I can't type. Like that. Oh, not that, here. There you go. Now we need to like add a math node here to reduce the effect, like maybe 0.2. Oh, it's faster. Wait a minute. Oh. So I don't like the bright yellow thing. And I think we need to adjust the min-max. Because it doesn't feel like it's moving much. Okay, I think something like that. So we're going to re-enable. Let's delete the reference thing, and then we're going to use that one that we just made. I think instead of having the geometry moving around like that, let me turn that one off. Wait, I have an idea. Turn this one off and set the material. It's weird that this one's not really affecting it. Like, I think we need something with really large amounts of mesh. Like subdivide mesh. No, this one doesn't have. Oh, because I turned off the... Okay, wait. Let's turn this one off. Let's add a new icosphere. Increase it like that. Oh. Yeah, I think something like that. But so we don't need to like add noise to the mesh. Although we could like layer it. Like have another one doing that weird thing. But it's going to be really CPU intensive, so it's, and I think we don't need it to be the intensity. This one should be lowered, like 0.05. But we don't need it right now. I kinda want something going up and down. Yeah, something like that. But we don't need it right now. And there's something odd though. Let's see, maybe I should add a UV sphere here. Like, I can see some weird stuff going on. Oh, what happened? Okay, I think we don't need this one anymore. Whoops. Uh-oh. Let's see if we could add like a bump here. Should be coming from the noise. Let's take a preview of this one. Oh, there's really something going on there. Might be because of this one. I think I don't want this one here. Yeah, that's causing it. Oh, I think this one too. Why do they... Makes me wonder why they did that. I mean, maybe I should have just made my own. Because there's a lot of stuff here that's not really needed. I mean, I could go with just noise texture with the UV into the emission. But yeah, anyway, I don't wanna overdo it anyway, so let's just take this one into the height. Oh dang. What happened here? I guess there's too much height on that part. Oh. Why is this placement and bump doing that? I need to check that later. For now, let me just turn that off. Should be having an effect. Or maybe it's hard to see because portions of it are like transparent. Anyway, we're gonna fix that later. So, to simplify, Let's turn it off for now. We kinda need another sphere inside that's not transparent. So just add another one and like make it 9 or maybe 5. 5. Yeah, I don't think I want it like that. Maybe something like that. How about we add a Fresnel on this one? Let's see. Maybe let's do some experimentation. I think um, in here. Let's see what happens. This one is useless right now, so we're not going to take that. Oh wait. I think it's better if we just plug it in here. Like here. Oh, dang. Oh. I think like an additional... Okay. I think I know now what to do. So like bright yellow. I think it should be mixed. Oh, like that. And then... Oh, let's just duplicate this one in here. Factor. And then have it to layer weight, Fresnel. Let's just move it like that. Oh, what's going on? What's with this one? Wait, I think I know. Let me just remove this one for now. Wait. I think this one should be like, because I'm plugged in on factor. Let's try it here first. Like there's an outer ring, But I kinda want this one to be a little bit dark, or maybe let's add another one. But this one like a little bit darker. It's not really affecting. Let's try and double it. Like make another one here, but let's just add a new one. But this time connected to here, and like adjust the effect. What's going on? There's the effect. I think it's too bright. Although it's all black in here, so it makes me wonder why it's like that. There's an effect, but not something that I'm looking for. Oh, I can see the effect, but it's like too much. Maybe let's just have it at the very edge. Like that. But I kinda want it to be maybe I need to have two separate like this one. Let's see. Let's play it around a little bit more. Okay, we have the yellow. We have the orange. Something like that. I kinda like this one. Let's see if we can work it with this one like that. Kinda not being applied. So I don't think we need this one. We might only need this one. And then let's try multiply or mix. Yeah, I think something like that. Like glowing outer. In here, like everything's glowing bright white. While closer to this one, it's like the outer part is glowing and not too much yellow in the middle. Yeah, I think I like this one more. Yeah, I think I've got the effect I'm trying to go for, like yellow, like atmospheric yellow at the edge. I mean, I could even like tighten this part, like going to make the yellow part really thin. Oh, I think I'm moving the wrong one. Like I could move this one really close to the yellow, like make the yellow part really thin, make the red part really close. Oh wait, I think it's better if we just create a backup of this one like that before we attempt to like thinning out the yellow part, like a really subtle yellow. Probably something like that. Something like that. Heck, maybe I could create something like a core style thing here. Like, okay, where's the I'm gonna play with this one. Yeah, something like that. Like a black hole thing going on. Okay, that's enough for that part. We're going to improve that later on. So it's like that part with this part here. Like, it's kind of hard to see now. So we're going to rename stuff. Core inner. Core Atmo. Then core bump. But I think I kind of want the core bump to be much more transparent. Let me check what we have here. I think we should remove this part. Let me bypass the join, because we now have two inner cores. We don't want that like that. So like there's like a bumpy stuff going on, but it's just optional for now. Let's just leave it on maybe. Let me do a quick render and see how it's working out. Although it's kind of hard to see if it's not animated. Yeah. So for static preview, I think it's best not to turn the bumps on. Yeah, I think it looks much better without the bump if it's a static image. Okay, moving forward. Um, I'm gonna make a new collection. Oh, this one I think we'll set it to a separate collection, like a backup, because we kind of don't need it right now. We Okay, this part here, I think I'll go with something different. So I'm gonna remove it for now. But I'm taking note of the dimensions, so it's 28. So I think I'm going to try out something like a curve. And then we're going to add, I think we could reuse the cube, set it to like 1, so like really small. And then oh yeah, we kind of need a it's either we use another curve for this one, or we use an array. Let me see. What's the best? What are the available curves here? Maybe a rectangle? Oh wow, look at that. Is it because, oh, it means we can even make it like really good if we oh, we'll just deal with that later. That's odd. Why are some parts of it are like spiky like that? Some part. Hello, I'm curious. I wanna see which parts of this one is causing that. I mean, we only have this. Let me try this one. Oh. Not this one. Oh, I think it's this one. Let me preview this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. It's causing it. Don't think we need this one. Yeah, I think this one's much better. Oh, the animation part is in here. The mapping location. How about we set this to dang. Why is it loading too slow? Oh, wait a minute. The transparency part is being affected by okay, let me try and move this one. Yeah, I think this one should work. Let's see, maybe we could plug this thing in here. Dang, it's taking too long to load. Come on now. Yeah, I think I should minimize the nodes, remove those that we don't actually need, because it's slowing down everything. Basically, we probably don't need this one here. Let me see if I plug this one directly like that. And then play it. It's too fast, but we could probably make it slower. Oh, we bypassed that part. So everything goes in here. Now I think I kinda want like 2 sets. I might need to delete a lot of stuff here. Let's see. I'm going to remove this one. Let's try to make things simple. Dang, I just sorted out these parts here and weird thing happened. Okay, so we have the emission. Let's remove this one for now. This part here is the outer glow thing. And like we have the transparent part because of this one. Now I kinda want to duplicate these two. Okay, let's try and do that. I'm going to duplicate this one. And then let me preview this one. I think I should stop playing it because so yeah, it looks like that. We're going to make it less rough and scaling like detail. How about detail? Now let's see how this one would work as the transparency factor. And this one goes here. Okay, now we play around with transparency. Oh, it's much better in this view. So like, yeah, I think it's much better in this view. Let's see. Yeah, let me reduce the black part. Just minimal thing going on like that. And then I think we'll need like a second layer of this one with bigger, yeah, I will just do that later. Because right now this one looks nice. Now I'm thinking if I'm going to have it on the inner core. Okay, now I have an idea. The one with the bump thing, so we remove the outer core, which is good. We don't need that part. And we probably don't need to... Let's just direct it like that. Now I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this one. And then make the holes like bigger. And make the bumps higher. Although it's kind of hard to see. It's not rendering properly. The bumps, it's like it's not showing. Oh, wait a minute. I might have removed this part too much. I want it to be like sparse. the movement is too fast. So I'm going to not like that. Let's see. Um, the bumps should be like very sparse and spiky, maybe spiky. Maybe we need to make the outer layer more spiky. So we'll increase the roughness and the distortion. But make it really slow. And maybe turn. Then maybe have this one. Like really sparse. But very slow. I think we're almost there. And reduce the like that. Or is it too much? It's mostly playing around with settings. Increasing this one, sliding it this way adds more fiery thing going on. Or maybe we don't need this one. Nah, it doesn't look good. I think it's much better this way. Let me remove the inner core and see if it's looking better. Now I kinda feel like I want to make this one to have like a fading outer part. So like, let me play around with it. Okay. I think it should be facing. Oh yeah, it's the reverse. We kind of want it to be the reverse, so it's facing like that. Uh-oh, I think we had it in reverse. I think I want it really close to the edge. And maybe the core should not have the purplish color like that. Because it feels like it doesn't make sense. So let's just make it like glowing like that. Yeah, I think something like that. We kind of spent 2 hours trying to make the orb alone. Oh, what's that thing going on there? got. I think this part is the hardest anyway. I mean, not the hardest, but it's the most eye-catching part of the stuff. So I kind of want to play around with it. Yeah, I think I like that thing going on like that. Maybe make the core a little bit bigger. Let's make it into a whole number. Or maybe 19. Like that. Yeah, something like that. And I think there's going to be an effect if we now this part here is kinda, let me stop the animation, bumpy because maybe we don't have enough. How about passing a subdivide? Oh, it kinda messed it up. Yeah, it kinda ruined it for some strange reason. I think the black part, maybe that's what messing it up. Because we have like separate. Let's see, how about we use this one? Oh. Okay, I think I know what to do. Perhaps we need like a mix shader thing. Okay, what's causing that black part there? I need to find. I think it's being caused um, by this one. Something related to this one. I can definitely see something black in. Or maybe because I'm not facing on the camera. I can still see it. I think it's at the back part of the camera. Probably why we can see it. Since our atmosphere is transparent, it's like the back part of the bump, like that. It's the other side of the bump. Yeah, I think that's what causing it. Since it's transparent, we can see the backside of the bump, and since we have the layer weight, just like doing that. It looks best with this one. Oh well, I'll just figure that out later on. We've spent too much time on the orb thing, but I think it's one of those things that sells the stuff, so yeah, definitely need to pay attention on that part detail. So I think we're supposed to add a curve. I think this is supposed to be... Oh, it's 10. Dang. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to work on the rings. There's going to be like... I'm going to combine the design from Diablo and Mabinogi because I like the orbiting style. There's a staff, but I couldn't show it to you. But I kinda like the way it works. So I'm going to combine it with the Diablo style thing. So like the fiery thing going on here is like the Diablo style. And then the rings that we're going to incorporate will be from Mabinogi. So we'll have like a very epic staff. And we still need like some fiery thing going around there, which I think I'm going to be using another combination of geometry nodes and shading. So yeah, unfortunately this is what we came up with after 2 hours because we're like trying to make it the best possible, but I kinda like it, although it kinda looks like a sun. But yeah, I think it's kind of the thing about the Diablo stuff. It's like you're holding the power of the sun on your staff. At least it's from the cosmetic thing. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this. Let me just do a quick save before. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like videos like this, the contents that we upload, kindly press the like button and dislike if not, so we have the idea of what contents people want to watch. And we have Forge Beats every 8 a.m. and of course the live streams from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST. And we have the Patreon SNS Forge, and we are running a pioneer badge for the until 2 weeks from now. So I hope whoever wants to be a pioneer in our Patreon on SNS Forge, you should get the pioneer badge because it's not going to be back after July 22, I think. Pioneer badge is no longer available because we're making a lot of models here. Like every day we're doing stuff, and Patreon subscribers will have access to all the blend files, and even those blend files that we don't make live stream on. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, special introduce. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you again tomorrow for more. I hope we're gonna have to start with the rings tomorrow because we've taken a lot of time modeling the core. But I think I'm pretty much okay with the effect. Although there's some improvement because like it's kind of blocky like that, but I think it's just because of the resolution we used. I mean, I could transfer this one to a different, because it's just a geometry node and a shading combination. It's just a simple icosphere with the geometry nodes applied. So yeah, it's a quick fix. And I kind of want to work with fewer geometries, fewer vertices at the start, because as we add more like objects and vertices and all, it's going to make Blender really slow. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!